Hey, how you doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Seminole, Florida. There is a common problem as you are compounding and polishing your paint. In this case, I'm getting this car ready for a ceramic titanium coating. And that is getting around all the tight places, such as mirrors and also the door handles. So there are a few tips and tricks I'd just like to share with you quickly here. One isn't a magic eraser. A magic eraser is often compared to a 5,000 grit sandpaper. You will, abrade the clear coat, so you would only use a magic eraser on paint if you were doing compounding and polishing afterwards. So just to make that clear. So you can get in all the areas if you're going to actually be able to compound. And what I'm showing you today is kind of things done by hand. However, I also am going to afterwards be coming in here with a 3-inch polisher, getting some of these areas as to the highest level possible. You might be able to see I've got a little stone chip right in the middle here, and I'll try and work on that. I may actually even wet sand. But for this purpose only, I just want to let you know, like in the cups of your door handles, great area to be able to get the magic eraser in. You've got all those fingernail marks from people getting in, open the door over the years. So it is a wonderful tool to use. I also keep old pads. These are standard orange cutting pads, and I cut them up in various sizes and use something like Sonax Cut Max, which is a very abrasive compound. It's like liquid sandpaper. So with a medium grade foam pad, as you wear out, as you pick up pads, little bit of compound, go to town, back and forth, side to side. You can even go and make some circular motions. You're trying to just cut and exfoliate basically your clear coat, but it's going to be hazy. It's going to be needing a little something softer. That's when I then go to a microfiber applicator pad such as this, and also a Griot's Garage fast correcting cream. Now you might say, JJ, fast correcting cream is also a compound, right? It cuts. Yeah, it cuts, but it cuts a lot less. So what you're basically doing is refining the clear coat, and by hand, you can then go over, use some body solvent of your preference, paint prep, whatever you care for, and clean in between your passes, get everything cleaned up, move to the next set, then aggression down again. I like the Perfecting Cream by Griot's Garage, their Boss system, for the final step. And here I have a very solid foam, but it's a waxing pad, right? And this is actually made for just by hand. So again, after cleaning everything off, all the Griot's Garage fast correcting cream, bam, go to the Perfecting Cream and do your final wipe with that, and you will be on your way to a nice clean finish, hopefully as scratch-free as possible. That will leave you with, if you've decided that it needs more and you're not happy with it by hand, and you'll be able to get to some of these areas with a DA, or this is also a great time to come in with a nano polisher, such as my Auto Triz nano polisher. I've got the wool cutting pad here, and I might see a couple small spots that just need to go a little higher, right? Because we're looking for the best, showroom quality achievement as possible. You've got a variety of foam cutting pads. These are fairly solid that come from Auto Triz. They do a nice job, and then you can follow up with softer pads that they also have available. They have white felt they have a yellow polishing pad, and they also have a black finishing pad. So, and you would use kind of the same compounding process, but you're just not going to be able to always reach everything. Obviously, these mirrors fold up. You can, get to other areas, but don't forget, of course, to move your mirrors in and out as much as possible. Get behind on the other side here. And with your door handles, obviously lift your door handle up if possible on the car you're working on and really get into all those tight areas. Even with something like this, it's impossible to reach every single area. And they do make smaller heads on these that are 15 millimeter, which is about somewhere around 1/4 inch or so. So you just try and get the best you can. And again, you want to, have aggressive compounds and work your way down once you've decided how high you're going to go. Sorry, car. All right, thanks for being with me. As always, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. Like, share, give me the thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. There will be a lot of great videos coming down the road. I've got quite a few things that are already recorded, just doing editing work, and I will continue on. Thanks. Take care. Bye.